Canceling your YouTube Premium subscription is a straightforward process. Follow these step-by-step instructions. Using a computer sign-in, open your web browser and go to YouTube. Sign in to the account you have the premium subscription with. Go to Paid Memberships. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Purchases and Memberships. Manage Membership. Under the YouTube Premium section, click Manage Membership. Deactivate. Click Deactivate next to your subscription details. Continue to cancel. Select Continue to cancel to proceed. Reason for canceling. You might be asked to select a reason for canceling. Pick one, or choose I don't want to answer. Confirm cancellation. Click Yes, Cancel to finalize your cancellation. Using an Android device, open Google Play Store. Launch the Google Play Store app on your device. Profile icon. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Payments and subscriptions. Go to Payments and Subscriptions and then Subscriptions. Cancel subscription. Find YouTube Premium in your subscription list and tap Cancel Subscription. Follow prompts. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the process. Using an iPhone or iPad Settings app, open the Settings app on your device. Apple ID. Tap your name at the top to access your Apple ID settings. Subscriptions. Tap Subscriptions and find YouTube Premium. Cancel subscription. Tap Cancel subscription. Confirm cancellation. Follow the prompts to confirm your decision. Important notes. Access. Until the end of billing cycle. You'll retain access to YouTube Premium features until the end of your current billing period. Pause instead of canceling. You also have the option to pause your subscription for up to 6 months. Correct platform. Ensure you're canceling through the platform where you initially subscribed. Understanding these steps will help you manage your YouTube Premium subscription effectively.